A survey by the United Nations International Drug Control Program says about 70,000 people in Indian-administered Kashmir have become addicted to drugs, and 4,000 of them are women. According to the survey carried out in 2008, educational institutions are the hub of such activities. The report says the drug peddlers run their operations by poisoning the thoughts of students. They are addicted to opium, heroin, cocaine, LSD, drinking alcohol and injecting morphine and other psychotropic drugs. Experts are now worried about the increasing number of addicts in Kashmir. They also refer to multiple reasons behind this.
Turmoil in Kashmir for the last 20 years, it has made our youths vulnerable for it. Then second is availability of the drugs freely on the streets. And third is the change in our societies, the social structure which has gone under a drastic change in the last 8 to 10 years.
While the number of addicts is going up day by day in the region, drug addiction in Kashmir has received scant attention, and so far government has not succeeded to have an appropriate addiction treatment center and counseling services.
Till date, we don't have any center working in the government setup. So ideally, this is the health department who are primarily responsible, who should be coming up with the centers, because seeing the turmoil here, we have a lot of problems who are the consequence of the turmoil. Be it the increased rate of suicide in the society, be it increased drug addiction problems, or be it increased psychiatric illnesses per se.
As the number of addicts is increasing, the Health Ministry of the region is now planning to start addiction treatment center in every district. The local police have recently opened a small addiction treatment center in the summer capital of Srinagar. They say every day they receive 4 to 5 new people with such problems.
We have started this addiction center about 2 years back. The reason being was that maximum youth of Kashmir was being involved into this man's of taking drugs. And we found that there is no de-addiction center running in Kashmir Valley.
Psychiatrists say many people in the valley suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder as they are subject to either direct or indirect violence. Although according to the police records, violence is at its lowest compared to 90s. The aftermath of the conflict is taking its toll in the form of suicides, drug addictions, stress and anxiety. Based on reports, tens of thousands of young people in Kashmir are suffering from drug addiction. Non-governmental organizations and experts fear if government authorities do not address this problem soon, it may have disastrous consequences in Kashmir. Shahana Bhatt, Press TV, Indian administered Kashmir.